have, make, let, get. Topic: daily life. I had my car washed yesterday. Was it hand washed? She got her nails done for the wedding. What color did she choose? Topic: work and business. His boss made him stay late at work. Did he get paid extra? The company let employees work from home. It must be more comfortable. Topic: food and restaurants. She had the waiter bring more water. The restaurant was really busy. We got our food delivered last night. Nice. What did you order? Topic: health. She had her teeth cleaned at the dentist. Did it hurt? The doctor made him rest for a week. I hope he feels better soon. Topic: travel and transportation. They got their visa approved last week. When are they traveling? The airline let the passengers board early. I'm sure they were happy. Okay, substitution practice. I had my hair cut. I had my hair cut. I had my car washed. I had my shoes polished. I got my phone fixed. I got my watch repaired. I got my bike checked. I make my kids eat vegetables. I make my employees work hard. I make my dog stay inside. I let my friend borrow my book. I let my kids play outside. I let my colleague use my computer. She helped me study. She helped me move. She helped me cook. He helped me paint. He helped me clean. He helped me babysit. They helped me pack. They helped me drive. They helped me bake. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download all the worksheets we do in our live stream classes, plus other videos. Yes, you can download worksheets with my other videos, and there are flashcards and many more. So please check out my Patreon page. Support me there so I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.